Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arfad. Today we are going to discuss how to find out the probability when two dice are thrown simultaneously. Here, two dice are thrown. What is the probability that the sum of the dots appearing on them is 4 or 6? Here, two dice are thrown. One die is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots there. And another die is same. So here, two dice are thrown simultaneously. So what will be the sample space here? So first we have to find out the sample space. So here, two dice are thrown. So what will be the order pair here? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 till 1, 6, and we have to find out their all order pairs. So here 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Now 2, 1, 2, 2 till 6. So this is 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Similarly, with 3, 4, 5 and 6 we have to make the orders there. So this is 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 6. Now 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5 and 4, 6. Now 5, 1 till 6. Now 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6. This will be the total order pair, total sample space when two dice are thrown simultaneously. So there will be total 36 possibilities there. So this will be the sample space here. Now come to the question again. Two dice are thrown, then the sample space will be 1, 1 till 6, 6. Question says find the probability the sum of dots is 4 or the sum of dots is 6. So it's mean the event A is sum of dots is 4. That means here, that means sum of dots means 1, 3 is 4, 2, 2 is 4. So we have to select all order pairs there. Their sum is, it is equals to 4. So this is 1, 3, 1 plus 3 is 4. Then 2, 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. Then 3, 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. So there are 1, 2 and 3. There are 1, 3, then 2, 2, then 3, 1. So there are 3 order pairs. Their sum it is equals to 4. And now come to the second event. The sum of dots is 6. Okay, the sum of dots is 6 means we have to find out all those order pairs. Their sum it is equal to 6. That is, first one will be 1, 5. 1, 5. Another one is 1 comma 5 is, it is equals to 6. 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4 is 6. Now 3 comma 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. Now 4 comma 2 is 6. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 order pairs in which the sum of dots is 6. Now we have to find out their probability. So here the number of elements in sample space, that is 36, and the number of elements in event A, that is 3, 1, 2 and 3. The number of elements in set B, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it means number of elements in B, it is equals to 4. Now we have to check whether A and B are mutual exclusive events or non-mutual exclusive events. So now focus the set A and set B. Set A and set B, there is no any common order pair here. That means A and B are disjoint sets. That means A and B are disjoint sets, means A and B are mutually exclusive events. So here the probability of A, that is the number of elements in event divided by the number of elements in sample space. The probability of A. Now the probability of B, 4 over 36. So here A and B are mutually exclusive event. So P A union B will be equals to P of A plus P of B, because A and B are disjoint sets. That means they are mutually exclusive events. So therefore here the probability of A, it is equals to 3 over 36, and the probability of B, it is equals to 4 over 36. So this is, just take out the LCM. So this is the probability of A union B is 7 upon 36. Dear students, in this question, 2 dice are thrown simultaneously, and here we have to find out the probability of the sum of the dots is 4 or 6. So first we have to find out the total sample space there. That would be the total elements are 36. Then we have to find out the set A, the sum of dots, it is equals to 4. That means we have to take out all those order pairs in which their sum it is equals to 4. And the set B, the sum of dots is 6. That means we have to select the order pair whose sum it is equals to 6. And then we have to find out the probability, and we have a simple formula here to find out the probability, that is probability of even equals, it is equals to the number of elements divided by the number of sample space. Number of elements in event divided by the number of elements in sample space. So we have to find out the probability of A and probability of B. So here first we have to check whether they are mutual exclusive events or non-mutual exclusive events. So just we have to check that whether A and B are joint sets or disjoint sets. So A and B are disjoint sets. That means they are mutually exclusive events. So this is the result of this question. Dear students, if you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arfat. Allah Hafiz.